SEO magnifier text-to-speech MOUNTDOG Photo Studio Backdrop Support System, 10FT adjustable. Photography background stand kit with backdrop clamps, 2 sandbags, and carrying bag for portrait and studio photography. Kit includes 2x 6.5 feet light stand, 2x extensible crossbar, 3x spring clamp, 2x sandbag, 1x carry bag, 1x instruction. Upgraded telescoping top crossbars, new male and female crossbar, the length of background. Support system able to be adjusted freely within 5.3 feet to 10 feet. Easy to connect and adjust. Forget about the troubles of disassembly and assembly. And height adjustable, min 2.7 feet to max 6.5 feet. 1.3 in quad. Diameter tube, more durable and solid safety, premium high-quality metal construction. For durability and portability, making the backdrop stand strong for heavy-duty work. For durability, resistant to rust and long life. Load capacity up to 11 pounds 5 kilogram. Come with 3 stronger backdrop clamps and 2 sandbags and a portable carrying bag. Note: this sandbag is empty. Please fill it with gravel or any other material to increase the weight. Wide application. This backdrop stand kit is perfect for professional photography, photo studios, various parties, weddings, party decoration, Zoom conference backgrounds and other real-time streaming media. Also, the crossbar can be hung with green screen, canvas, muslin, cotton, paper and PVC background backdrop paper, best used with clamps. MOUNTDOG Photo Studio Background Support Kit for muslin, green screen, canvas, or paper backdrops. Backdrop is not included. 6.5 by 10 feet telescopic backdrop background stand support system kit for heavy-duty work. Heavy-duty, sturdy, durable, stable, safe photo backdrop stand for video studio. Photo booth props muslin. Applied to portrait, product advertising shooting, furniture appliance shooting, baby shower, video shooting, live stream like YouTube, TikTok, Facebook etc. Easy and quick installation, portability, and whole photo studio package. Its premium quality will bring professional and amateur photographers good flexibility and capabilities around the photo studio environment. Notice: due to the different strength of the individual, the degree of stretching of the tripod is different, and the height of the background frame will be slightly different. Error is in 1 to 5 cm. (2x telescopic adjustable crossbar. 2x crossbar extend to 10 feet wide. Pipe diameter 1.4 inch. Crossbar adjustable width min 2.56 featuring to max 10 feet. Max load capacity 11 pounds. Thicker cross bars and stand. Press the spring and click on the other end to insert it. 100% aluminum. Construction: premium muslin support system for professionals, durability, safety, balance, and lifetime keeping. Inter-twist locking crossbar connection. 2x support light stand. 2x 6.5 feet height backdrop support tripod stands. Pipe diameter 1 inch. Perfect lightweight aluminum alloy construction tripods. Bigger stand diameter, thicker crossbars, and stand, more stable, won't shake. Easy to set up and store. Just needs a few seconds. Adjustable height. Min 2.7 featuring to max 6.5 feet. 3x heavy-duty spring clamp. 3x heavy-duty spring clamps. Hold seamless paper, canvas, muslin, and other backdrops you need. Material synthetic nylon. Lightweight and strong pinch. 2x sandbag and 1x portable carrying bag. Help in the windy, unbalanced area. Photographic. Equipment stability. Sandbags are empty. Can be filled with gravel, sand, rocks, or any other material to add weight. Packing list. 4x crossbar. 2x adjustable light stand. 3x spring clamp. 2x sandbag. 1x portable heavy-duty carry bag. Video shooting. YouTube video recording. Vlog video shooting. Live streaming like YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, FaceTime, etc. Events. Family gathering. Wedding. Party. Baby shower. Birthday. Professional studio. Professional photography. Family photography. Newborn photography. Puppy photography. Kitty photography. Presentations. Beam projector screen. Advertising display. Slide background.